Gotcha. This is a bell pepper, and it's like not hot, like at all. Some are hot, some are not. Some are small as tater tots. Cute! Wanna guess which one has more vitamin C per ounce? Okay, it's the tablets. But nothing beats the real thing because while high in vitamin C, these are also packed with micronutrients, fiber, and other good stuff. Some peppers are hot, and it is important that you are careful when working with them. Never touch your eyes when working with hot peppers. You may even want to wear rubber gloves. Come on, whose idea was this anyways? And make sure you wash your utensils to get the hot oils off. Here are some popular pepper recipes from Celebrate Your Plate.
So tasty.
If you want to make recipes like that, just make sure you choose peppers at your store that are smooth, nothing wrinkly or dry looking. Oh, and put them in your crisper drawer. So put that pep in your step, y'all.